Okay, so for today's episode, it's going to be a little bit different. Something that I guess I've done, but something that I've not really have done too often. You guys saw the other day, I did go to Plato's Closet and try to sell them an off-white jacket. Unfortunately, they're like, no, sorry, that doesn't happen. Now, that off-white jacket's 100% authentic. I wasn't trying to sell them a fake jacket, but I've been seeing a few videos of like people trying to sell, like for example, Harrison Neville, he's a sneakerhead YouTuber. He got a pair of fake Dior Jordan 1s and he tried to sell them at a sneaker store. But you guys know she thrifted this, the Supreme Louis Vuitton like fanny pack, and it is awesome material, like really good quality. Yes, it is bootleg, yes, it is fake. I think the real ones go for, I don't even know, I'll put it right here how much the real ones actually go for, but it's ridiculous amount of money. She got this, I think, for $4 and it ended up selling for $60. I'm gonna ship it out, but I figured, you know what, let me kind of make a episode or a selling sessions trying to do, you know, selling the Supreme Louis Vuitton at like a little consignment store. Now, I don't know if they're gonna buy it. If they do, they're probably gonna think that it's off, like they're gonna think that it's fake and probably just offer me like $5-10 bucks. But I figured, you know what, let's get a video out of it, let's do it. I do also have a big bag of stuff right there, so I guess this will be considered like a selling sessions. I'll quickly show you guys what I am gonna bring in so that way you guys get an idea of what I'm gonna be selling. Now this isn't like old inventory, this is kind of just stuff that I figured, you know what, let me just throw in so that way I'm just not bringing the bag. If I just bring the bag, then maybe people are just, they're just gonna be like, oh no, like we're good. But if I have a big bag of stuff, they can go through it and then they find this and then we'll see what they offer. So hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Make sure you guys check out link down below, emcvlogs.com. Every purchase does help support these daily videos. Subscribe if you're not subscribed, and let's get it, guys. All right, I just wanna show you guys what I'm gonna be bringing in for the selling session. So we have this polo Ralph Lauren, and it's polo, but Ralph Lauren little like button down with the little dogs and anchors. We have the G-Star like board shorts, like the G-Star original raw. We have the patchwork shorts, Psycho Bunny. We have a Alexander McQueen button-down dress shirt. We have an Alfani little like gray sweatshirt, a pair of bathing suits, the Ralph Lauren cargo shorts, and then my pink sandals. Also, you can't forget about the main piece, which is why we're making this video, the Supreme Louis Vuitton. Let's go inside, see what they offer. I'm gonna try to put the Supreme bag like kind of in the middle, so that way it's not like the first thing that they look at. But we'll see what they grab. Let's get it. How's it going? I came to the store not too long ago, so a lot of the shoes that they have and the clothes are going to be the ones that I showed you guys the other day, so I don't really want to kind of show you guys the same stuff, but I will just do a little rundown, show you guys stuff that they have. Jordans are still sitting. I don't think I saw these last time. Gold Nikes. Fila's. Oh, look at this Burberry trench coat, 300. Really nice. Obviously, women's. Damn. If I had a girlfriend, I would get this for her, just so she can stunt. So look, it's brand new with tags. Retail was $9.95. Yo, this is so nice. They do have tons of women designer. Gucci, Valentino, Ferragamo, Louis Vuitton, Alexander Wang, Dolce & Gabbana, YSL, Ferragamo. So many. But I never use the pink one, so.
Really?
Yeah.
Nilka, on the wall there's a hanger. Can you change?
You on the run, travel, dancing, I don't know what you are, to leave them.
Really?
But we wanna fly away as fast as we can.
I feel like that's how it is everywhere.
With Vuitton?
I don't know. I got it as a gift, so I'm pretty sure it's replica, but I don't know. I'm not good with the authenticating, sadly.
So if it's replica. Ah, perfect. Sen beterler bundan mı çıktı? Olur bence.
Yani daha da fazla
25'e koy, bence onu bugün satarız. Bugün yani.
You're selling it for 25?
Cancel it.
So if I take this out then?
Yeah. Take it out.
Değiştiriyoruz ya.
I even don't want to buy right now. It's gonna go to 33.
33. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 6 items. 33. Just do the math. 5. What am I getting for the black hoodie? Do you know?
Hoodies $25.99 selling, and you're getting 7.64.
7. So if I take that out, it'll be 20. Alright, I'll do that.
26?
Yeah.
Sure.
Because you couldn't do 30, right? 30 is too much?
30 is too much. I'm top of it.
Okay.
I can say 30%.
2, 4. Okay, no, I trust you. You're always good.
I'm trying to be, you're local, you're coming every day.
Yeah.
You're doing this for a living, you're not doing it for fun. So it's better I give you more than normal.
Okay, so you guys saw I got the shorts for $2 each. I got this for $3. I got this for $1, and then these I got for like $6. So I'm getting, obviously doubling my money basically. Well, I kind of dropped the ball because obviously you guys were like, oh, is this authentic? And I was like, no, I don't think it is. I probably should have been like, oh, I have no idea. I got it as a gift. It might be authentic, it might not. But I think the fact that I said, oh, it's not authentic, and they could probably tell instantly like, yo, this isn't authentic. Like, just the quality of a Louis Vuitton is obviously like supposed to be really, really nice. So they said that they were gonna list it at 25 and I would only get like, I don't know, $8 for it. So obviously that's not gonna happen. Like I said, this bag's already sold. I am shipping it out today. I just wanted to make a video, trying to, make the selling sessions. And obviously you guys saw I did sell them, I think 5 items. I sold them the pink sandals, which the pink sandals I don't use anymore. I had like 2 pairs. I got them at Payless for like $6, so I probably took a loss on that, but it's not a big deal because the 2 pairs of pants I paid $2 each, the button down I paid $3, and then the t-shirt I paid the t-shirt I paid $1. So all in all, I did spend about $8 on the clothing and then about $6 on the sandals. I ended up getting $28 cash, so hey, I'll take that all day, a little. Obviously I'm not hitting a home run, I'm not making a lot of money, but hey, I'll take it, for not doing much, just bringing it to one store to another, not having a list, not having taking pictures, so I'll definitely take that. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was super short. I just wanted to make a little video. I wasn't gonna upload at all today, but I figured, you know what, let's just make a video. At the end of the day, I need to upload content. And I said before, it doesn't matter if it's a 10-minute long video. Before, I'd always try to hit 10 minutes just because 10 minutes, obviously I make a lot more money. But I figured, you know what, if for days that I'm not gonna upload, I might as well upload a small video, because at the end of the day, you guys would rather see a small video than not upload at all. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Remember, check the link down below, emcvlogs.com. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another vlog at 8 p.m. And don't forget, guys, let's get it.